place called the Weekend Cafe, and if you were to take a look, wow, this is called a dream catcher, that we have here with us. And this is very awkward because I'm getting my dad to do the recording for me, but I really feel it's a beautiful place, and I have these two little brats, so they are with me all the time. And this is something, yeah. I mean, take a look at it. I think this is for those of you who like, I think it's like a coffee bar, but no, this is a cute little. I really love the location. I mean, you get this. There's this place called Pondicherry in Tamil Nadu. So there you have these little quaint
and the
little
video
cafes.
is sponsored by Weekend Cafe.
No, it is not sponsored by anyone, but it is. I think it is a very pretty place. So, Ayush, do you like this place? And that's a cute divan that you can.
There's also a rolling screen there.
Yeah, if there's one word to describe this place, it would be cozy. It's very cozy, the place,
And nature.
yeah. And
There's
if there's
over
one thing we need today, it is that feeling of you feel at ease. So with the blue sky and I'm so glad I came here. So, truly, people. So this place is in West Maritpalli. No, actually this would be Vikrampuri Colony near West Maritpalli, Sikandrabad, and Sikandrabad it's in Hyderabad. So on that note, thanks for watching,
and
please subscribe.
And hit the like.